Welcome to Tradepronamics. This is a short video on out items. Out items or miscellaneous items are items that are not in stock. You might do a one-off purchase or purchase every now and then from a supplier, and you require the invoice number and a few other details for warranty purposes. For example, or you type out, tab across, the screen comes up. Put the supplier's invoice number in there. Select the supplier. Put the item code in. Do the description. Put a cost price in. Put a markup. Put a markup and just work out the retail price for it. So say you want a markup of 50%. It works out at $22.60 automatically. Quantity in. Now when you save it, it'll automatically create the purchase for you and do all the accounting in the background. And do all the supply statements, all the general ledger, accounts, profit and loss, etc. And you can actually go to the purchase and you will see it purchase there. So I'm going to purchase for it. At a later stage, you can pick your screen up and see when you purchase an item, what the invoice number was, warranty purposes, etc. You order off. So there's the aim item there, the air filter. Okay. So later on, you bring up this invoice, you can right click, say go to add item. You can see there's supply invoice number, the purchase date, for warranty purposes. All you do now is save the invoice, that's the green button. You make payment, you can save or email, or click on that. Pay the invoice off here, or just save it, and pay the customer comes in to pay. If I save it, that's when the purchase is asking me if you want to add on. Just say yes. In the background, the purchase has been made. As well as the invoice has been saved, or books have been updated for the invoice as well, including account receivables, customer statements, everything. Okay. Thanks for watching.